Most buyers spend months planning for their mortgage payment, but the mortgage is actually not the thing that surprises most new homeowners. It's everything else. Today I'm going to walk you through the hidden costs of buying a home that many buyers forget to plan for, and if you don't budget for these early, they can quickly turn your dream home into a financial headache. When buyers talk to lenders, the conversation usually focuses on one number: the monthly mortgage payment. But owning a home involves several additional costs that show up before closing, during closing, and every year after you move in. First are closing costs. These are the fees required to finalize the purchase of your home. Many buyers are surprised to learn that closing costs typically range between 2 and 5% of the purchase price. For a $400,000 home, that's $8,000 to $20,000. These include lender fees, attorney fees, appraisal, and title insurance. The next cost many buyers underestimate is property taxes. In Georgia, these vary significantly depending on the county and school district. You'll also need homeowners insurance. This is a mandatory cost for nearly every mortgage and protects your home from fires and storms. This is the one cost that surprises buyers the most: maintenance. When you rent, you call the landlord. When you own, you are the landlord. Roofs wear out and systems fail. I recommend budgeting 1 to 2% of the home value each year for these repairs. Another expense is utilities. When you move to a house, your electricity, water, and gas bills can increase significantly. If the home is in an HOA, you may also pay fees for neighborhood amenities and management. These vary by community, so here's the strategy. Don't spend your entire budget on the purchase. Leave yourself a financial cushion after closing. Having a buffer protects you when unexpected repairs show up, and in the Atlanta market, they eventually will. When planning to buy, budget for the full cost of ownership. It makes your home buying journey much more sustainable. I created a free Atlanta buyer guide to help you navigate the home buyer process. Send me a message or check the link in the description, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful videos and tips.